Hi, I received the Ender yesterday and put it together today. After it's all been put together, I've noticed that it has a wobble, so it'll actually not sit straight on the desk. I don't know if you can see this, but just a little bit of a touch. And it's basically these legs. It's not the table itself. If I take it outside and put it onto the concrete, which is very level, we'll see as well that it has the wobble. Let me just go back. So yeah, the frame isn't square, and I can't really take off the legs because they're part of the part of what came with it as one unit. Yeah, just hoping if there's a fix for it.